Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn off active status on Instagram and PC or laptop. If you're using Instagram on your PC or in your laptop and you want to turn off your activity status, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser and just open Instagram, and here just click on this profile option, or you can directly go to this more option here. Just click on more and then click on settings. Now in settings, let's scroll down and you will see the option of message and story replies. Just click on this and then click on show activity status. So here you just have to disable this toggle. And once you have disabled, your activity status now disabled or turned off. Now whenever you're online on Instagram, no one can see that if you're online or not. So in this way, you can easily turn off your activity status on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.